me, carry me away, 'cause the world is not for me. If I could see through different eyes from 10,000-foot skies, I'd navigate the lines, never fear demise, nor be timid of the rule. How can I grow wise if never I'm a fool? And home is in my heart. So why do I get lost in the crowd, trying to be proud?